Alrighty guys, welcome to part 6, episode 6 of my 1973 Honda CB450. As I explained to you guys in the first video, the engine is seized. I do not know why or what it is. I'm assuming because water came in somewhere where the intake air and gas comes in, where the carbs come in, and there's a bunch of rust and things inside. So we're going to try and break this thing free. Disassemble all this, clean it all up, and see if we can't get the motor moving inside. Yeah, we're just gonna start breaking this thing apart and see how it ends up. See if we can't get it moving here. All right. Alrighty guys, so on the top, we're gonna try and pull this whole top end off of here. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 17 millimeter bolts, nuts, and we are going to see if we can break these bad boys free. I might spray them with a little stuff. We'll see how tough they are. We'll see how tough they are, and then if they're really hard, we'll try spraying them. But all right, here we go. Oh, not bad at all. Yeah, we can talk and say whatever now. It's just, this is all going to be time-lapsed. Here. Got it?
Ready?
Yeah.
Hold it. Always alternate these.
Well, especially tightening.
Yeah, you're going to do it loosening as well. Okay, do these inner ones.
If it's that one, why doesn't it want to go? Shit. It's too fat. Weird about that one, it doesn't fit on it. They're not that tight.
There it is.
Did you get it on?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Let me get this one.
This one. You know what else we might have to pull out is this, because this is the chain that's inside, and I think this might be connected to it.
Yeah, you gotta undo the timing chain. And these are, I think, number
10s.
Get that side. That's what it is.
I should have cleaned this first. I really should have cleaned that first. That was fucking stupid. I guess I still can, actually. Hang on just a second. Before we take this off, I just want to spray all this and just wipe it off so that no gunk falls in.
You need to get some brushes from.
I have some.
Oh, that's all right. Okay, now then, that's just the timing chain. So let's leave. Give me all your bolts. So I'm missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gotta get the next side.
Very dirty.
That's tight.
Yeah, I don't know if that's connected with that.
So take the rubber mallet and just tap it. See? There you go. So this goes like that. And
Letting you know.
let's see how tight these are.
Oh, not bad.
Here, that one's tight.
Hang on. Oh boy.
Here,
Okay.
I'll hold this. Yeah. Go around each one, tap
Jeez.
each a couple of times, and then we'll. There.
actually is free. Nope. Jeez.
Oh.
Come on. I'm a million flat screwdrivers. Where are they?
There you go. I'll hold the cam. Okay. Cool. Do it down over here. There, I can feel it. There he goes. Want to give it a hand here? Any others? Let's prime that in. Go. There you go. That's the adjuster.
Alrighty guys, so first little hiccup so far, main hiccup. While we were trying to punch this screw out, it stripped a little bit. Instead of continuing to try and crank on it and ruining it even further, we're going to try and just drill it out and pull it, and hopefully that does the trick. We will find out. Or we'll have to drill it even more and make it a flathead. So we'll see. But I sprayed it a while ago, so I'm hoping it goes pretty easy. So we'll find out. Alright.
There you go. It's a nice drill bit. So, are those DeWalt's? Man, they're nice. Okay. Hold it and schwack the crap out of it. And I'm gonna hold this end. All right, go ahead. Hit it hard as.
Oh, I think I got it.
Sounds like it.
Yep.
Success.
Success. Holy freaking A. Dude, good thing we got it out because that's starting to strip. Holy crap, you guys. Look what I had to do to this bolt. Look at that thing. Tried drilling it out, everything. We won't be using this again.
Okay, so you gotta take the timing plate out. Oh, bitch.
Oh, nice. Yeah, oh man, there's a bunch of still in there. Okay.
Unless, let me just move this.
Oh boy. There it goes.
That's rock solid there. Okay.
There we go.
1. 2. One more bad boy. We'll be home free, hopefully.
There we go.
All 3.
Oh god, that's nerve-wracking.
If I remember, I think this is different than the XL engine a little bit, but
Okay.
now that I think we need to take this screw out.
Well, do you want to pop this off first?
Yeah, yeah. I got the engine. Yeah, it's separating. Almost there. Okay.
Boom!
For that.
Yeah.
And then here's the other one. So those are out. Now then. Let's get this way out of the way.
Well, let's go the other side now. You almost had it out that one direction.
Yeah. I'm gonna do Which way was it? That have to come out. There it is. Like that. There you go. Now let's put these lifters. That one goes there. That one goes. Now then, the thing to do is pop the head.
Anything else connecting it?
There shouldn't be. It's getting this bad boy off.
You can put your finger in there.
Yeah. Ready?
Alrighty guys, so as you can see, there's the piston. That would be why it was seized up. It is pretty destroyed, very rusty, lots of gunk. I don't know what we're going to do to fix that, but we're going to figure that out when we get there. This is just the normal one. You can see that one's good. It's clean, you know, a little dirty, nothing, a little carbon buildup, but other than that, it's good to go. And this one's totally destroyed. So I don't know. We'll see what we can do. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so we are trying the best we can. The battery keeps overheating on this darn camera. But anyway, this is where we're at so far. We've got the case from the alternator off. We are trying to take the head off without breaking the chain. We don't want to do that. Well, it's not ideal. I just don't have to replace it. But as you can see through this light, the piston right here is completely seized up, and that is our problem. So, little man. Yeah, so we're working on it, and trying to film as best as we can, but like I said, this camera keeps going in and out, so we'll see what's up. All right, see ya. Hey everyone, welcome back to Brewers Builds. First of all, I would like to apologize. I'm sorry I have been neglecting this. I've been a little overwhelmed by it, I'm not gonna lie. I started working a little bit with my dad on this thing. I started taking it apart, and that piston was so seized. It has been an absolute nightmare to get it out, but I finally got it free, as you guys can see. With that being, with that being said, we have a lot of stuff still to do, and also in the last video that I started to do when we started tearing this engine apart, the battery on the camera just kept dying. I don't know why. So hopefully that won't continue to be a problem. And we are going to basically just be cleaning. That and reorganizing everything. I got the cam chain in here free, but I need to get it back up from this other direction, so I'm hoping I can do that. And we're just going to give you a little brief overview of what's going on here. Check it out. Alrighty, everyone. So these are going to be some really boring episodes. Basically, all it is me cleaning for hours. What I've done, I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a rundown of what I've done so far. So this whole area was caked in dirt, grease, dirt. I've got that pretty cleaned out. I've got some little bit of stuff to do. You can see how dirty it is still down there. That's basically what it was like in there, but much worse. Also, we cleaned the top of these pistons, you know, I just cleaned them in place because I was not able to get these out. I'm gonna need to get some new rings to put in there to lock those in there. I was able to get the rings out, but I could never get these out, so they're staying. But hopefully these are cleaned up pretty good. I still have to clean the block. That thing is pretty destroyed. I'm gonna try and hone it and get it cleared out. That is where the piston was seized. So yeah, basically we have a lot of stuff still to do. Here's all the pieces. Hopefully I can figure out where they all went and put them back in, or else we're in trouble. Anyway, yeah, like I said, these are gonna be some really boring episodes. It's just cleaning. Again, I think I said it a little bit ago, but if you just go to common-motor.com, those guys have a whole CB450 engine rebuild video. I'll be honest, that's probably what I'm going to be watching to put all this back together. Hello, everyone. First off, this is like the third time I've done an intro for this video. I'm so far behind. I'm still nowhere to begin. Well, not nowhere to begin. I've definitely begun it, but nowhere finished to rebuilding this engine. With the holidays going, and I had a new baby. I just have not had the time to keep working on this motorcycle and this engine. Still have stuff to clean, and then basically just rebuilding this engine. Wish me luck. All right, well, here we go. Alrighty, so this is our bad piston, or our bad cylinder, I should say, and it is like caked on rust inside of it. So I've got my cylinder hone and oil, and we are going to try and smoothen this thing out and get this rust out. We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping I can get it good. I mean, I've never done this before, so we'll find out. All right. Can definitely hear that rust towards the top. Sounding better. Sounds pretty smooth now. Feels much better. Oh wow. Much better. I can still feel some of that rust. It's definitely coming out slowly but surely. I don't want to do too much of it lower, so I think I'm doing it at a good pace. There's definitely still a little bit left in there. I think just a couple more minutes worth and we'll be good to go. Let's re-lube this baby up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Not that much. It's interesting, you can feel where it is. All right. Full update. Here we go. It's been months since I started this video. The rebuilding, tearing apart engine video. I'm going to give you guys a full update of where we're at now. At the beginning of this video was in November. So we've been almost 6 months. I know I've been completely MIA. We are back on track. Again, having 2 kids and a newborn has been crazy. But here's where we're at. So I left in that last video, or in that last little section you just saw, me honing the cylinder. So it is back in. There is still some stuff in there, but it turns smoothly in there now, so we're good to go. I have rebuilt all this. We've not put the cam chain back in yet. Oh, and I got a dog. What up? And that is ready to go on. I still need to put these in. I ordered new bolts and everything from Common Motor, so those are going to be going in. There's our cam chain disassembled still, but everything is pretty much all cleaned up, ready to go, and we've just been reassembling this. And I've also been doing a lot of other things on the bike that I'm going to be making videos for here soon. A lot of stuff. Anyway, thank you guys so much for your patience. we're gonna wrap up this video here. I'm sorry it wasn't more detailed. Again, I pretty much just used the video from Common Motor. That's what I've been using to rebuild the engine. So anyway, thank you guys again, and I'm gonna wrap up this episode finally now here. We'll catch you guys later. Thank you.